Dear friends, today I'm going to share before you some of my reflections on Palm Sunday. Palm Sunday marks the beginning of the Holy Week, which concludes on Easter Sunday. This is the day when we celebrate Jesus' joyful entry into Jerusalem to accomplish the great mystery of redemption, his suffering, death, and resurrection. Each of the four Gospels describes this solemn entry into Jerusalem, wherein the crowd greeted him by laying down their cloaks and waving the palm branches. Yet immediately following this joyful celebration, he begins his journey to the cross. This is the messianic scene which recalls the joyful and royal celebration of ancient East, wherein the newly crowned king used to be taken in procession to his throne. Jesus is the king who has come not to dominate but serve and to give his life as a ransom for the whole human race. Therefore, after this joyful procession, it passes to his story of passion. The passion of Jesus is the supreme sign of God's love and mercy. In the story of passion, the divinity of Jesus remains hidden, and the suffering servant is manifested in all its pain and misery. We have a king who has died for us and who is the source of life for us. By his wounds, we are healed. The soldiers openly mocked at him. Pilate condemned him due to the fear of the Jews. Judas betrayed him for just 30 silver coins, price worth of a slave. The Pharisees pressurized Pilate to crucify Jesus because of their pride. But are we different? Are we really better? How often have we not offended and condemned him? We have no excuse, for we should know much better than they of what Christ means for us. During this Holy Week, we will be constantly reminded what God has done for us and is continually doing for us. We should only beat our breast in humble contrition, for we are unworthy of the infinite love of God.